This coffee is making me awesome. Sophie got me this cup. I needed it today. Extra large. It's been a long weekend. We are at about 190, 10 away from 200. We're super excited. It was only about 2 weeks and a couple of days. I'm a little late today. This is February the 2nd. That was 2 weeks of me not posting anything. So I do have a challenge for myself, and that challenge is going to be to post something every single day. And being it is the shortest month of the year, which is February, 28 days, I could probably handle that, right? I could handle that. Sounds a lot better. I hope you guys stay tuned and follow along. I'm gonna try to post whatever I can, which is pretty much a lot of stuff I got backlogged, stuff I've shot which I haven't edited yet. The challenge will get me back on the editing station. Usually I am throwing stuff in the Pelican cases, going from one place to another. It's hard to unpack, drop something over, I put stuff in that computer, I put stuff in that computer, and then I come on this computer. It's a lot going on. So at least I can kind of settle in. This will be one station, and I'll get sent to you guys every single day. Alright, I know you guys waiting to see who won the GoPro 10 giveaway. And the winner is, drum roll please, Overdrive Editing. Just shoot us an email, some real contact info, and we'll get back to you where we could send this stuff. Alright, so as for the rest of you guys who didn't win, thank you for participating. We're actually going to do something every month. And I'll probably post something up maybe in like 2 weeks to have that whole 2 weeks time giveaway, so for the end of the month type deal. I do love the interaction. I got a chance to talk to quite a few of you guys. So anyways, just keep following along. We are sending out some packages that isn't the main giveaway, but just sending some like some care packages out. So again, just the more you interact, the more you comment, things like that, the more we get to stay in touch. I think the GoPro 10 is actually a real cool giveaway. Anybody could use it, whether you're on the street track, whether you're filming cars or not. I think that was a good icebreaker, but we're gonna stick to trying to get stuff for the cars. So maybe some tools for the shop, maybe some chairs for the shop, maybe from power tools. I have no idea, but we're gonna try to figure stuff out. Got a lot of Hot Wheels stuff, maybe a project car, who knows? So I think comment below what you think should be next. You know, if you're into K-swaps, maybe some K-swap parts to get you going. I think that would be cool. Some turbo stuff. Everybody loves boost. Unless you're NA, I don't know, find a set of cams for you guys. But guys, start off small. Start off small, okay? We're just starting off here. I think this was in budget, so that's pretty cool. Some t-shirts, some little stuff here and there. I think it's always good for like our weekly stuff. But every month we're gonna try to pick something cool. It'll get cooler and cooler. So comment below what you guys think you would like to see. I keep wanting to say video editing. Congratulations to Overdrive Editing, GoPro 10 giveaway. I'm gonna get back to it. I'm gonna edit the next video. Hopefully that's gonna go up for tonight. I know it's gonna come out for later on tonight. So I'll have 2 down, February 2nd, 2 in the month. I'll get ready for the 3rd one. All right guys, see you later on today.